Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you yarn from Crystal Skies hand dyed. So this I think is the summer edition. So let me pull it out and we'll see. This is the Summer at the Beach. So let's take a look. This is exciting. This is called Summer at the Beach. It is Bengal worsted, and it is 100% superwash merino, and there are 220 yards, and it is called Summer at the Beach. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at that. That mini skein matches it perfect. And I get this in worsted weight. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Loving the colors in that. Very summery. Loving that. Ooh, I dropped my mini. Here's the mini. And here's the deeds on it. Summer at the Beach. And this is Crystal Skies hand dyed, where you can find her. She is on Etsy. Crystal Skies hand dyed on Etsy. That is super pretty. Look at that. You can see where the, look at that. That mini matches perfectly. But look at all these colors up in here. Look at that. That's really, really pretty. I love this. Look at those bright colors. And that's right up my alley. I love those bright colors. Oh, just love that. And let's see what the extras are, because there's always extras. So let's check these out. I'm excited. Okay. And extras. Extras. Get them all out. So we got 2 more Werther's in the coffee flavor. And, oh wow, we got 4 of the things that you add to water to flavor your water. So we got 4 of them. It looks like green apple, grape, orange, and this one is strawberry. So I got 4 more of these. These are really good. I like these. I'm really glad that they put these in here. I don't know how I'm going to feel about the green apple one, but I'm really glad these are in here. They're really good. I do drink these. They're really, really good. And then there's a box. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? All right. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at this. It's a bracelet. And look, you can use the charms as stitch markers for knitting. Let me see if I can get them all to turn around so you guys can see them. There's a sand dollar. And there is a starfish. And then there is, oh, I showed the sand dollar. Oh, look, and a nautilus shell. And then all the way up here at the top is a scallop shell. Look at that. That's fantastic. Oh, and it easily opens at the top. You could put more stitch markers on here. That's fantastic. That's perfect. I like that. That's a great way to hold knitting stitch markers. That is a great way to hold those. I like that. That's really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. So, for the Summer at the Beach, and what we received was 2 of the Werther's coffee, 4 of the packets to add to water, the wonderful bracelet, and the gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous yarn. This is really, really pretty. So that's what we received. So this is fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.